Have you ever noticed that certain skills or knowledge keep showing up in your life, even if you didn't plan for them? Maybe it's something you've practiced for years, or something you've always been drawn to. What if the things you've been learning, on purpose or by accident, are not random at all, but are preparing you for something greater? Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Close your eyes and think back over your life. What are the skills you've developed over time? Maybe you've become good at solving problems, at connecting with people, at creating something unique. Think about the things you've practiced without even realizing it. The things you return to again and again. Now, let's take a step deeper. Why do you think you've been drawn to these skills? Why have you kept learning, practicing, improving? Could it be that these skills are shaping you for something bigger? Maybe for something that hasn't even happened yet? Say to yourself, I recognize the skills I have been building. I trust that everything I'm learning is shaping me for a purpose. I am open to seeing how my skills can guide me forward. Take another deep breath in and let it out slowly. Now, think about how these skills can be used. Maybe they already play a role in your life, or maybe you've never really thought about where they could take you. What if, instead of just using these skills without thinking, you started seeing them as tools to shape your future? Imagine yourself using one of these skills in a way that brings purpose to your life. How would it feel to take what you've been learning and use it in a way that truly matters? Say to yourself, I recognize the skills I have been building. I see how my abilities have shaped me. I am learning more about what I can do. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Write down 3 things, a skill or strength you've been developing over time, how it has shaped you or helped you in life, one way you can use it intentionally moving forward. Use the free journal designed for this journey, or use your own to guide your thoughts and go deeper into what moves you. Every time you reflect, you'll discover even more. Before you open your eyes, imagine yourself fully stepping into the skills you've been given. Imagine using them in a way that feels natural and fulfilling. Say to yourself, I trust that my strengths are leading me toward my purpose. Everything I've been learning is preparing me for something greater. I am ready to use my gifts in a meaningful way. Take another deep breath in and let it out. Picture yourself applying what you've learned in a meaningful way. Let yourself feel confident in your abilities. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Your journey matters, and I'm so grateful you're here. This journey isn't just about listening, it's about transformation. Each meditation is unlocking more of who you really are. Every time you reflect, more will be revealed. So don't stop here. Keep going. Keep discovering. Keep becoming. You deserve to understand yourself fully. And the more you do this, the clearer everything will become. What's one thing you'll do today to take a step forward? You've already come this far. Trust yourself enough to keep going. Say to yourself, I am committed to my journey. Every step forward brings me closer to who I am meant to be. I trust that my true self already knows who I am. Take a moment to let these words settle in. Remember, knowledge is power, but the right knowledge is freedom, and acting on that knowledge is powerful. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share. What insight stood out to you the most? Let's keep this journey going together. Want to share your manifest story? If this journey has impacted you and you'd like to inspire others, send me an email. You can find my email address in the description box below. Make sure to like and subscribe too. Manifest and become, so that others can also discover who they are meant to be. Stay in this moment for a while. Allow yourself to think. This is your moment.